Welcome to part 3 of the Dahua Airshield Hub2 setup. If you missed any of the other videos, you'll find the links in the description. We're now going to explore setting and unsetting the system. I've actually given the hub a bit of power. As you can see, there's a mains cable in there. I've actually got the lid back on it now. So if we were to look at the hub status this time, we'll soon see that the battery level's good. The tamper status is also good and the mains power's on. I don't have any Wi-Fi. I've got a hardwired connection in there, which is fine for now, but I could, if I wanted to, go and stick it on the local Wi-Fi. But the first thing I want to show you really is how quick it reacts. So here's the door contact here. So I'm just going to move the door contact over, and you'll see that the living room door is open on there. That's all very good and well. The LED won't light on the PIR, and that's really to save some batteries, but it does sort of recognise me. I can, if I want to, go and set the system through the app. I've got a nice little wireless keyfob that I can do that through here, so let's just be careful with this, and we'll set this up now.
Home mode activated.
And that's the home mode activated. It depends whether I'm going to set off the PIR or the door contact. Obviously I set off the PIR there, and as you can see very quickly I got some activations through. The next little test I'm going to do is use the door contact as a normal entry system. So have a look at the app first. We've got the app, we've got the hub, we've got all the peripherals here. We could go into the door contact and edit it there, but we can also go straight through the hub status and click on the area, and we'll get the peripherals up here. So we're going to click on the door. You can see all the details here for the door, but what we really want to do is we want to edit that. And the first thing we want to do is turn on home delay mode. And the next thing we want to do is set the delay time. So this is when we enter the building. So it's this one up here. I'll just go and set it to a few seconds. 8 seconds will be fine for this test, but we would normally set that to up to 45 seconds. And we're going to click OK on that. And that'll set. And this is also where you would set up your video channel and your linkage and all sorts of other stuff in there. But we're not going to do that for now. We're just going to come back out of there. And then we're going to go and set the system. Right, we're now going to go and set the system. But the first thing I need to do is watch out for the PIR. So I'll actually just cover the PIR up for a second while we're doing that. And now I'm all ready with the door contact. And I'm just going to go and set the system now.
Home mode activated.
That's the home mode activated. We're going to get a little message on the screen, of course. And then we're going to come through the door. There we go. And I've got a few seconds to disable it.
Disarmed.
Perfect.